So here we are at another one of our projects. Beautiful green wall with a different palette of greens and neon greens as well. This specific green wall has not only the function of improving and elevating the space, but also what was here before, it was all of this machinery and equipment and AC and heater for the entire property. And what we needed to do was something that will cover that machinery. So what we did is beautiful green wall here. Our panels can basically attach to any kind of surface. All we need is a 1/2-inch PVC water feed to connect to our irrigation. What we use is a typical sprinkler irrigation and drip jets. And as soon as that is done, that's it. Boom, look. And the most important thing about all of this is that this green wall system, these panels are made of recyclable plastic, so it's even good for our environment. And it's all made in the USA, so patented by Andromeda district. It's a pride and joy for us to be able to say that this is produced here in the United States, and also all the plants are from here, from Florida too. So we are supporting local agriculture and local economy also by using our green wall system.